Imagine walking into a room 6 months from now. You open the door, step inside, and suddenly, silence. Your friends, your family, carry an aura of success and discipline that makes you almost unrecognizable. This isn't a fantasy. This is what happens when you activate ghost mode. Back isn't about being loud. It's about being quiet. Deadly quiet. Today, I am going to give you the blueprint to disappear for 6 months. Change. Because they talk too much. I'm going to start a business. I'm going to the gym tomorrow. I'm learning a new language. Psychologically, when you and then you lose the drive. To truly change, you need to cut the supply line of cheap validation. You need to embrace isolation, not solve your current identity to build a better one. So, how do you disappear? You don't have to move to a cave in the Himalayas. You just need to follow these 3 pillars: toxic friends who drain your energy, and most importantly, no to the algorithm. For the next 6 months, your phone is a tool, not a toy. If an app does, are about to become very rich in time. Pillar number 2, the one skill focus. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one high-value skill. That is over 700 hours of practice. That puts you in the top 10% of people in that field. While everyone else is watching Netflix, you are building your weapon 5 times a week. Drink 3 liters of water, fix your sleep. When you re-emerge after 6 months, the first thing people will notice is your posture, your skin. Month 2 and month 3 will be the hardest. You will feel lonely. You will feel like ghost mode isn't working. You will want to post a story badly you want it. Keep your head down, keep grinding in the dark, and then month 6 arrives. You step back into the light. You meet your old friends. The clock is ticking. The next 6 months will pass anyway. You can either spend them scrolling through someone else's life, or you can disappear and build your own. If you accept this challenge, comment "I am Ghost" below. Subscribe for more life-changing strategies.